welcome to Imon's Kitchen. In this video, I wanna introduce you how to eat black fungus. Another name is wood ear because this looks like ears. Yeah, human ear. So, yeah, you can easily find this in Asian supermarket because this cuisine is, seriously popular in China because texture is funny and also very delicious when you cook this properly, and rich of vitamin D and water soluble fiber, and this is so good for your skin too. So many Asian ladies love to eat this because it's not only delicious, but it's so good for your skin and health, and it's also good for lower your blood pressure level too. So it's beneficial for guys too. And you can buy dried one or raw one. Both are fine, but make sure to buy the good one, organic one, or made in Japan or made in Korea are safer than maybe made in China, because I bought some dried black fungus in the US, but sometimes the quality was terrible when I bought the black fungus from China. So it's up to the companies, of course, but just be careful and read the reviews when you buy dried black fungus from Amazon. And all you need is just boil raw black fungus in the boiled water just for 30 seconds, and don't boil for too long because it will ruin this texture, good texture, and also the taste become bad. So within 30 seconds you should drain the water quickly and rinse with cold water or soak in iced water for maybe 5 seconds. I also, I'm soaking this vegetable now in the water to, remove pesticide and also germination poison from potatoes, because every time I buy not organic potato or purple potato, this is yam, purple potato or carrots, I always soak in the water to remove environmental pollution. And after this, this process, I steam these potatoes in rice cooker just with a small portion of water. It's the easiest way to cook potato. Oh, and this is also very suitable to fry with rice or fry with japchae. It's Korean cuisine, and this mushroom really help you to level up your Asian cooking skill, and also everyone love this. So please try. Don't be scared of using new ingredient in your kitchen, because as we become older, we tend to become more conservative, but it's better to eat various vegetables and various mushrooms as much as possible. So next time you will go to grocery, next time when you go to the grocery store, I recommend you to try to buy new fruits or new ingredient. Because in that way, you can also improve your gut health, and human body need various micronutrients, and I believe there are still many nutrients or elements which are not found by scientists yet. So nature always have a perfect, how can I say, something special. So because God made both like fresh vegetable and mushroom and everything, so it's always better than artificial stuff, so super processed food. So eat whole grain or whole food and try to eat something new this week, like black fungus. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.